Good day, everyone. Learn how to change wallpaper and theme in Samsung Galaxy Ultra phones. So, we need to go to the settings first, and you will find there in apps. Once you click on that, you will find, once you scroll down, you will find wallpaper and style. The moment you click on that, you can change wallpaper, and in the gallery, you will find a lot of options. And if you want to create with AI, you can do that. You want graphical, you can do that. If you want colors, you can try that. And you can also set dynamic lock screens, Samsung global goals. And you can always get more wallpapers. Now I'll go back, and there is one more option, themes. Now here the internet should be turned on, and from here you can change the themes as well. So this is how you can set wallpaper or lock screen home wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy Ultra phones. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.